Where's the house at? Found it. I'm gonna drive till I can't no more. I made it here. I made it here. I made it here. Now let's go knock on the door. Knock, knock. Oh, hi.
Hello.
What do you want to do?
You want to go to a playground? I'll drive.
Sure.
Let's go.
Well, I don't even have a license.
I can drive. Let's go.
Ready? Did you go?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. You don't know how to drive. You stupid person.
Oh my. Hey, calm down.
We're here.
Okay, let's go. Wow.
Well, it's raining.
I know.
That's the wrong place to go here.
Maybe we should go inside. Hurry, run slow.
Run. Come on, go to the car. Run. Stop. Stop.
You are a bad driver. Are we here?
I just need to make 2 turns.
Okay, hurry up.
Here we
Oh, okay, let's go. My goodness, it is pouring out there.
Lucky we got inside before the rain all over us.
Yeah, it's about to be pouring. Let's go.
It's probably gonna be thunder.
I know. Open that door.
Sloth. Sloth.
What?
What do you want to do?
Watch SpongeBob.
Let's do something fun.
Like what? We can play in the rain.
Sure.
Really?
They're gonna be puddles.
Yeah. Let's go.
So, yeah.
Woo. You know, I need to go home. My mom just called me.
Me too.
Oh, see you later. I'm walking home.
Can I just drive you home?
No, it's okay. I like the rain. I'll walk.
I need to walk too.
Oh,
You're already here to your house.
yeah. Bye.
Bye.